International Space Station astronauts will soon begin working on an experiment sent to them by a group of Sacramento students. Melanie Wingo joins us now in studio with how the students from St. Francis High have received this very unique opportunity. Good morning.
Good morning. School administrators say this is pretty much a once-in-a-lifetime experience for these students. St. Francis High School in Sacramento is one of only 10 high schools out of some 35,000 across the United States asked to participate in the International Space Station program, or ISSP for short. And it's the only all-girls school chosen as part of the program. So this elite group has spent the past few months conceptualizing, designing, engineering, coding, and will ultimately send an experiment to the International Space Station for testing in a microgravity environment, just as an aerospace corporation would do. In very basic terms, the students are figuring out a way to test yeast growth in space versus how it grows in a controlled environment on Earth. Project coordinators say it's a test that has applications in the field of biomedical engineering and longevity science.
It's just an amazing opportunity for us to be able to send something into space. There's actual scientists who will be able to use our information if this experiment is successful.
There's a lot of working, moving parts, as you can see, and so it just makes it easier for our brains to be able to clearly say, this is where this goes, it's going to plug into this, it wires to this.
So to be in a room of 12 young ladies who are passionate, knowledgeable, willing to dive in and tackle anything, it's an absolute pleasure and excites me for the future of science.
Program experimentation started in September. Final testing on the students' work and packaging for space travel happens in February. The experiment is set to launch in a SpaceX rocket from Cape Canaveral, Florida in early April. And once their experiment is performed by astronauts at the ISS, students will work on publishing their results by June. Over 100 St. Francis students applied to be part of this program. St. Francis had to whittle things down to a team of 12, and coming up today on the KCRA 3 News at noon, those students will walk us through just how that experiment they're sending to space is taking shape. Taylor, it kind of makes your brain hurt, doesn't it?
Yeah, it certainly does, but I love it. I mean, what a great opportunity for them. That's cool. Thank